Christmas flower video only for my viewers with Christmas love quotes. Please like and subscribe my channel. Christmas is not as much about opening our presents as opening our hearts. Under the mistletoe, I found my home in you. The best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear, but I'd rather do it with you by my side. Every time I see your smile, it's like Christmas morning. Love is what's in the room with you at Christmas. If you stop opening presents and listen, you're the Christmas present I never knew I needed, but I'm so glad I found you. All I want for Christmas is you. The magic of Christmas is in the love we share with each other, and I am so grateful to share it with you. Christmas is a season not only of rejoicing, but of reflection, and I am thankful to reflect on the joy you bring me every day. Christmas is the day that holds all time together. It's the most wonderful time of the year. The true spirit of Christmas is love. The love in our hearts, the joy we give, and the memories we create are the true gifts of Christmas. Christmas is doing a little something extra for someone. Blessed is the season which engages the whole world in a conspiracy of love. Gifts of time and love are surely the basic ingredients of a truly merry Christmas. The Christmas spirit is a season of both fear and joy. Fear that we may fail to live up to our responsibilities, and joy because the responsibility itself is a gift. He who has not Christmas in his heart will never find it under a tree. Christmas is the day that holds all time together, and I'm so grateful to share it with you. All I want for Christmas is you. You are the greatest gift I could ever ask for. You are the reason my Christmas is so magical. Merry Christmas, my love. May this Christmas bring you as much joy as you bring into my life. Merry Christmas to the love of my life. The best gift I could ever get this Christmas is your love, and I'm so lucky to have you by my side. Christmas is the time to love, and I'm so thankful that I get to spend it with you. The Christmas season is even brighter because you're in my life. Merry Christmas, my love. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, but I'm truly living in a colorful world because of you. This Christmas, I don't need anything except your love, because that is the greatest gift of all.